All right, 3 more of the drawings left, and that is it. So we're on number 9 now. All right, so kind of like we did 6 over here, I'm going to do 9 the same way. I'm going to create this back part first and then add this part on it. One way you can do it, instead of just doing a rectangle, is you can make this just using lines. So you get the one shape without having to add this flat edge here, which is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to start on this corner, move this way, and so on. So go by, create document, and this is ISO 9. All right. I'm going to create a sketch. I'm going to do my front plane this time. I'm going to draw a line. So I'm going to click over here, go to my left, total length of 4. The height, I'm going to click up and then make that height 3. And this is where I'm going to start making my slant for my my line for my slant. So I'm going to count it over. It goes 1, 2, goes over 3 inches. I'm going to click over here, click 3. I'm going to end my line right there. And I'm going to go down and I'm going to do this measurement right here, which goes up a total of 1.5 inches. So I'm going to click on line, click down here, click up and type in 1.5 and enter. And now I can just connect it right to that slant without having to measure any of the angles. We always try to find the easiest way of doing something without having to do too many measurements, because the quicker you can make the part, the better it can be. So now we're going to extrude, and this guy is going to be extruded 1 inch. So it's already defaulted to 1. Click check. So now we got to do this part right here, which we're going to do in the same method. I'm going to create a sketch on the front of this object, and I'm going to use my line tool, and I'm going to go do the line all the way up and it goes over 1. So create a line, click in this corner, go all the way up, click over, type in 1, enter. So you can see that's where the end is. I'm going to hit escape there to get off my line tool, and then I'm going to go from here over, which is a total of 1, 2, 3 inches. So click back on my line, start in this bottom left corner, go directly to my right, click and type in 3. And then now this just connects to that end point that we've already made, and so we have our slant already done. So now I can hit extrude. It's going to select that face automatically, total of 1 inch, and click the check, and that is it for number 9.